When a company expects $1 million in quarterly revenue, but only brings in half that, the consequences hit the entire organization. Leadership may have already authorized a massive marketing spend or hired new engineers based on that expected capital. When the cash fails to materialize, growth stalls, and the business faces an immediate cash flow crisis. This failure usually traces back to treating revenue forecasting as a guessing game or mistakenly confusing it with sales forecasting. Sales forecasting is a localized process. It answers a narrow set of questions: which active deals will close, and how much new business will the sales reps bring in. Revenue forecasting evaluates the entire capital lifecycle. It incorporates those new sales, but it also measures recurring subscriptions, renewals, customer expansion, and the inevitable decay from customer churn. Achieving predictable growth requires an organization to abandon isolated sales tracking and adopt a comprehensive, multivariable approach to capital projection. This structural alignment is the primary function of revenue operations. RevOps acts as the central hub, connecting the disparate data from sales, marketing, customer success, and finance into a single continuous stream of intelligence. The central analytical challenge is engineering mathematical predictability out of highly volatile, subjective human behaviors, such as a sales representative's optimism about a pending contract. To achieve this, we must build a reliable forecasting engine from first principles, layering in our business variables one by one. We will construct a system that replaces subjective hope with objective statistical weight. Let's start the model with new business. The most basic metric available is raw pipeline, the absolute total value of all active sales opportunities in the system. 3 deals total £170,000 in raw pipeline, assuming 100% success. A stage-based probability filter corrects this. Applying historical win rates, like 80% for negotiations and 25% for discovery, shrinks expected deal values, yielding a realistic weighted pipeline of £110,000. This system is highly vulnerable to bad data. Weighted pipeline requires strict CRN hygiene and clear criteria for when a deal is allowed to advance to the next stage. Stage-based probability is the first crucial gear in the engine. It actively converts human optimism into empirical expected value. For many modern organizations, new transactional sales are only a fraction of the revenue equation. We must integrate the mechanics of subscription and recurring models. We begin with a £1 million annual recurring revenue reservoir. We stack £200,000 in new sales, plus £100,000 in expansion revenue. But we must subtract £80,000 lost to churn and £20,000 to downgrades. Nehengbees calculates a stabilized ending ARR of £1.2 million. A high churn rate will entirely nullify aggressive new sales growth. Tracking retention and customer health signals is mathematically just as critical as tracking the sales pipeline. We have constructed our internal model, but it must be tested against external expectations. This requires contrasting top-down ambition with bottom-up reality. This diagram illustrates top-down planning. Leadership or investors mandate a strategic requirement, suspending a £1 million target high above the baseline. Bottom-up forecasting serves as the operational reality check. If 5 sales reps each close 4 $10,000 deals, foundational capacity is strictly capped at $200,000. Comparing these models exposes a severe structural deficit between strategic ambition and operational reality. Identifying this gap forces leadership to manipulate actual business levers. They must hire more reps, raise prices, or increase prices to mathematically close the distance. Rigorous forecasting exposes these structural deficits in real time, identifying operational gaps while leadership still has the opportunity to adjust their resources. Let's apply this full mathematical engine to a real-world case study for a corporate training company. This waterfall chart constructs our forecast. We begin with $100K in confirmed contracts. Next, we add $80K in likely renewals and $50K in expected expansion. Then we inject $111K of risk-adjusted weighted pipeline. Finally, subtracting $30K for expected cancellations yields a final $311K output. This unified metric provides a precise view of the company's trajectory. Because it accounts for both opportunity and decay across the entire lifecycle, it is vastly superior to a raw pipeline number. Every theoretical model shares a single vulnerability: bad data governance. If CRM hygiene is ignored, if sales reps leave past close dates, invent deal values, or overlook churn signals, the mathematical equation is completely compromised. Forecasting from hope is a fast track to financial instability. Professional planning requires empirical data. Revenue operations acts as a company's central nervous system. By enforcing strict data discipline across marketing, sales, and customer success, RevOps transforms scattered departmental assumptions into deterministic, actionable business intelligence.